Today we are in the outskirts of Trivento, a lively village situated in Molise region with all kinds of facilities, and we are looking this country house with a panoramic position overlooking the surrounding hills and countryside with lots of privacy. The house is arranged over 2 floors and measures approximately 66 square meters. The main entrance is accessed from a spacious patio on the ground floor and opens into this kitchen and living area with double exposure and plenty of natural light. This is the living area. And the kitchen also avails of a fireplace and a wood-burning oven. Now we go back outside because on the semi-basement level of the property, we find 3 cellars, providing useful storage space and potential for conversion into additional habitable space. This is the first one. That also avails of a half bathroom. So it will be possible to add a second bathroom on the main house. This is the second cellar with a window. Here we have also a chicken coop. And the last cellar that was originally a stable. That is now the chicken coop. The house is surrounded by 3,160 square meters of land with beautiful olive grove with approximately 40 olive trees, some fruit trees, and also a private well, making it ideal for those seeking a rural lifestyle or small agricultural project. The structure of the house and the roof are in good conditions, and water and electricity are already connected. The property requires renovation and maintenance works, including the installation of a full bathroom. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.